We are here. Going to that Lotte Plaza? Is it Lotte Supermarket? Why is it written in Nepalese?
Oh, we were so many Nepalese people here.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, today's been a chill morning so far, and now going to the Lotte Supermarket to do the grocery shopping. Did the laundry this morning. And now let's go in. Guys, the supermarkets are so huge and have everything you could ever want. Every time I come here to US, I just love shopping for fruits and vegetables. The variety of fruits and vegetables that you get here is incredible, and it could be because of the country's vast agricultural landscape. Agree? You all? Yeah? Are you all with me? You all will find everything from common staples like this one, carrot, radish, and the range of leafy greens is vast too, with spinach, a fennel, leafy ones, carrot with the leaves, onions, celery. It's always fun when we cook together. It's such a vibe, family cooking. Later, I'll show you all guys how it all comes together, so stay tuned. Mango, nice. Like the tropical fruits like mangoes. Papaya can't eat it, huh? Papaya, somewhere I had seen it. Like mangoes, papayas, pineapples, that's stocked everywhere in the supermarkets. If you're looking for something more unique, you can often spot fruits like pomegranate. No, this is not pomegranate, this is dragon fruit. Lychee, papaya. Cactus, what is this one? And many more. And many more. Guys, the fruit selection in the USA is also outstanding, with options that vary from season to season. And this is dragon fruit. This is like a lychee. I don't know the correct name for this one, but it's similar to lychee. Just try one. Can I?
Grocery shopping is ready.
Oh, my grapes lychee watermelon यत्रो ठुलो हैन अनि स्ट्रबेरी हैन पुरा फ्रुट्स के आज चाहिँ खाने हैन अनि ड्र्यागन फ्रुट है अन्त भेजिटेबलहरु चाहिँ नदेखाउने ल we are going to do family cooking today and yeah is this हजुर जाने let's do what is that anything and everything I'm ready to eat and swallow and digest. Well, that's it guys, we finished off with the shopping. Stay tuned, it's going to be a fun time today. We're done with the shopping now and heading back to home. Okay, let's load the things first and we can do the cooking together and see how my food is going to taste like.
Here is GP, we call it GPA, okay? So have you heard about GPA? They measure their academic performance with GPA. So if you have
and home time.
5, then you consider their academic career. Yeah.
Welcome home.
It's cold.
Very cold. Actually, it's much warmer than New York City. Wow, this cake is so good. The cake, it is super moist. And then you get the tartness from the cherries. That balances everything so perfectly. Okay guys, now let's try this. Ready to try? Okay, I'll try for every one of you. Let me try another one as well. And then I can get into the taste, what it tastes like. Yeah, honey, you want to try this one? It's juicy.
I did try one.
It's juicy, and it have got a natural sweetness as well. Okay, this is the next fruit, and this is watermelon. सबैलाई खाने भएको चिजहरू तर यहाँको watermelon चाहिँ नि हैन very juicy हुन्छ अनि कस्तो मिठो पनि हुन्छ. Organic chicken soup. यहाँनिर आएपछि चाहिँ खाएको हो क्या. खानेकुरा आएको खाइदिएकै या यो चाहिँ तर अलिकति मन पर्दैन खानलाई. Too billion. This is too sweet. What's wrong? Well, are you trying to tease me? It's too sweet. I can't eat. You can have it back, please.
बेलुका पनि खाइन्छ. तेरो र मेरो आलुदम पकाइ चाहिँ एउटै रहेछ. हिजो म त अस्ति त त्यो पियाजको पात अलिक डढीको क्या अलिक खुरीको क्या.
मैले खिर बनाउँदै गरेको लाइक 1 hour plus भइसक्यो है यो खिर बनाएको चाहिँ. Cauliflower cooking now. Okay, see? Guys, खाना लगे के पाकिसक्यो यहाँनिर. यो रायोको साग. यो चाहिँ आलु, potatoes, पनिर अनि क्याप्सिकम. कोदोको ढेँडो
मिठो हुन्छ हैन.
हजुर यहाँनिर सुपसँग नि टप्लक चोप्दै अझै सागसँग पनिरसँग. ओहो यहाँनिर साग पनि पनिर पनि दाल चाहिँ खाना खानेहरूलाई है. अनि यहाँ आलु पनि छ हो. आज त ओहो के खाना कुरा